The video is about Nasmoles.fun pop-up ads. These pop-ups may periodically attack your screen and try to force you into clicking on the Allow button. The pop-up indicates it's important to continue your browsing. However, the reality is that this immediately leads to the status of browser hijacking. When people click on this Allow button, the push notifications become enabled, and these notifications are not genuine. Sometimes push notifications are good and they are decent when they are used legally by legal websites. But it's not the case with Nasmoles.fun. It tries instead to forward your screen to the variety of third-party websites. Some of them promote adware, browser hijackers, potentially unwanted programs, and so on. If the Allow button was mistakenly clicked, you need to go to the menu, click on Settings, then Site Settings, and Notifications. Pay attention to the Allow area here, and you will find this malicious site which you need to remove from the list. Also, I recommend double-checking your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and start scanning your Mac device with this application. You will need to wait until the antivirus database is updated. And finally, click on Start Combo Scan button to begin the complete research and investigation of your Mac computer. And at the end of scan, the detailed report will be provided. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific thread manually, one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.